Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be planting cuttings from a gooseberry, and that's a gooseberry plant. It's already 2 years old, and it started already. It's spring now, and it started to bloom. It has some blooms here, and I want to get more of those bushes going, so I'm just gonna get a cutting and plant. Here there's one branch that I'm gonna use, and it already has here the flower buds. So to start our project, we have to get rid of all the trees and all the leaves, and all the flowers, everything, so it's not on the way, and it's not. We need here. Okay, from this cutting I can get three. You need about 3 buds on every cutting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I can actually get 4, but I'm gonna do 3, and there's gonna be 3 cuttings. For that, I would be using. It's really easy to grow. The gooseberry is very easy to grow. So I have a potting soil, and in that potting soil, I'm gonna make some holes so it doesn't interfere with putting the cutting inside the soil. I'm gonna make 2 holes, 1, 2, so I can put 2 cuttings in here, and then I'm gonna make 1 and 2. Oh, that's hollow. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, and for the rooting hormone, I'm gonna be using honey. I don't like any chemicals in my garden, so I use honey, and honey works perfect for me. So I just use regular honey. Some people use cinnamon, some people use growing hormone with the chemicals, some people use honey. Honey works perfect, so that's all it matters, so as long as it works. So I'm going to be cutting it in 45 degrees angle like this, and I'm just going to make 3 here. Just gonna make 3. Feels like 3 should be good. They're not too long. So I'm just gonna dip the end, the cut end right here, the bottom part. We're gonna dip into the honey, and then we're gonna be placing it inside the soil like this, and then get another one, also dip it in the honey, and put it inside the soil like so. Then there's another one, the last one, gonna put inside the soil, and now we're gonna be gently pressing it. Pressing gently, and that's gonna go into the greenhouse for about 2 months. It should month and a half. It should give the roots, and then I'll be replanting it to a different container. So if you don't have a greenhouse, you can just cover it with the plastic bag, and that's gonna give you the greenhouse effect. And keep it not in a sunny place, somewhere in a warm place where there's not a lot of wind and warm. So now I'm gonna water it and keep it in a greenhouse. Now I have another plant that I already planted, and why would you want to plant more than one if you need only one bush? You want to try 3, 4, 5, because not all of them gonna make it. Like here, for instance, I have 1, 2, 3, and this one did not make it right there. Here, or maybe it did. Not sure. Let me pull it out. No, it didn't. Here, it didn't make it, and I thought it did, but it didn't make it. Here we're gonna check this one if it has roots, because it looks like it does have roots. Okay, here are the roots, and that's what we're gonna be. Now I'm gonna be replanting this in a separate bigger container. I'm not gonna put it in the ground, I'm just gonna put it in a container. There's another one. Let me pull this out. Okay. Oh, that one is even actually better. That one has a whole root system going here. That's what you're waiting for, and that's what you want to see. And that looks very beautiful and ready to be planted into the ground. If you like my video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and visit my channel for other videos about my propagating trees for fruits and berries. Thank you. Happy growing.